So, hello and good morning to all of you and welcome to Gyan Jyoti online classes. Okay, so dear students, today we will discuss about prefix and suffix. That is, it is a grammar portion of class 4. Okay, so today we will discuss about prefix and suffix. So earlier we had studied about sentence, subject and predicate. Okay, so there are certain words where we find some prefix and suffix words. Okay, in a sentence we find some prefix and suffix word. So today we will discuss the what is prefix and suffix. Okay, so what do you mean by prefix? What do you mean by prefix? A group of letters that added before a word to make a new word is called a suffix. So write down what is meant by prefix. A group of letters, not words, a group of letters that is added before a group of letters that is added before a word to form a new word is called the prefix. Okay, so a group of letters when added before a word to make a new word, then it is called as your prefix. Okay, example, comfort. Let's take an example of comfort. If we add some letters before this word, then we will get different letter. Okay, comfort, discomfort, okay, like, dislike, okay, these are all prefixes. Like perfect, imperfect. So these are the group of letters which is added before a word to make a new word. Here we get a new word. We added this prefix before this word and get a new word, that is discomfort. Comfort, we added prefix dis to make a new word, that is discomfort. Similarly, we added this like we added this prefix before like and we get a new word, that is dislike. Similarly, imperfect. So in this way we can add group of letters before a word to make a new word. तो प्रीफिक्स का मतलब क्या होता है? प्रीफिक्स वो होता है, वो एक ग्रुप ऑफ लेटर्स होते हैं. प्रीफिक्स जो होते हैं वो ग्रुप ऑफ लेटर्स होते हैं, चाहे 2 लेटर हो या फिर 3 लेटर हो. तो वो ग्रुप ऑफ लेटर्स क्या है, जब एक वर्ड के पहले लग जाते हैं नए वर्ड बनाने के लिए, तो उसे क्या है, प्रीफिक्स बोला जाता है. एक ग्रुप ऑफ लेटर जब किसी वर्ड के पहले लग जाते हैं नया वर्ड बनाने के लिए, तो उसे क्या है, प्रीफिक्स बोला जाता है. गेट इट? These are all called prefix. Then come to suffix. Okay, then suffix. What do you mean by suffix? A group of letters when placed at the end of the word is called prefix suffix a group of letters, a group of letters when placed at the end of a word when placed at the end of a word is called suffix. It's called suffix. Okay. So a group of letters when placed at the end of a word is called suffix. Example: here it is a group, it is a word. If we put a suffix at the end of this word, then we will get a new word, that is careless. Okay, then come to you. Come to careless. Then come to your kind. You can say kind, kindness, help, and that helpful. Okay, so these are all suffixes. तो suffix का मतलब क्या होता है? देखो, जब एक ग्रुप ऑफ लेटर्स किसी वर्ड के बाद लग जाते हैं, किसी वर्ड के लास्ट में लग जाते हैं, तो उसे क्या है? सफिक्स बोला जाता है. क्या बोला जाता है? सफिक्स. ओके, सफिक्स. तो देखो यहाँ पे कुछ वर्ड्स है, जैसे केयर है, काइंड है, हेल्प है. इसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? ये जो होते हैं क्या है? रूट वर्ड्स बोलते हैं. समझे? ये सब क्या है? रूट वर्ड्स कहलाते हैं. मेन वर्ड्स. रूट वर्ड्स मतलब क्या है? मेन वर्ड्स. अब ये सब क्या है? तुम लोग का मेन वर्ड्स है. जब ये वर्ड्स के बाद में लास्ट में अगर कोई सफिक्स लग रहा है, अगर कोई ग्रुप ऑफ लेटर्स लग रहे हैं, तो क्या है? वो वर्ड सफिक्स क्या है? कहलाएगा. तो वो वर्ड क्या है? सफिक्स बोला जाता है. प्रीफिक्स मतलब पहले ऐड होता है और सफिक्स मतलब लास्ट में प्लेस्ड होता है. समझ में आया? सो लुक हियर, like here, if we placed less to after this word, then we get a new word, that is your careless. care जो वर्ड है उसके लास्ट में अगर हम लेस लगा रहे हैं तो क्या बनता है? केयरलेस. तो ये क्या है? सफिक्स वर्ड है. ESS, ESS, FUL, ये सब क्या है? तुम लोग का सफिक्स है. और अगर इसके पहले कुछ वर्ड्स लगता हो, कोई भी वर्ड के आगे कुछ लगता है, तो वो क्या कहलाता है? प्रीफिक्स क्या है? कहलाता है. गेट इट? तो क्या है? हम लोग जानेंगे क्या है सफिक्स क्या है और प्रीफिक्स क्या है. ओके, तो कुछ क्या है? प्रीफिक्स वर्ड. प्रीफिक्स क्या है? सफिक्सेस. So okay, once again I want to recap your topic, that is prefix and suffix. So prefix, when a group of letters add before a word, then it is called a prefix. Okay, and when a group of letters placed behind or at the end of the word, then it is called a suffix. Okay, so here are some prefixes and some suffixes. Okay, so these are all your prefixes. A group of letters when added before a word. So this is your word. And this. Okay. So these underlined words. These underlined words are called your root words. Are called root words, or you can say it as a main word. Okay. So these underlined words. These underlined words are called your root words, or you can say it as a main word. And before the main word we added some prefixes. तो main word के पहले जितने भी letters लगे हैं वो सब क्या कहलाएंगे, तुम लोग के prefixes कहलाएंगे. और जो ये main word है और जो prefixes हैं उनके बाद जो word आता है वो क्या है, तुम लोग का main word कहलाता है. मतलब जो main word है वो उसमें add रहते हैं. Okay. Similarly, if you see the suffixes part, here we find that the suffixes are or group of letters are added at the end of the word. See here, these are all your suffixes. Okay, so these are your suffixes. Okay, which so these are group of letters which are added or which are placed at the end of the words. So these are all your main words. Free, attract, help, friend, play, event. So these are all your what? Root words. View, complete, honor, behave, continue. So these are all your root words, or you can say it as a main words. And before these words or after that words we add prefixes and suffixes. Okay. So this is all about your prefixes and suffixes. Okay. So students, no need to worry about your exercise. It will be sent to you via your WhatsApp number. Okay. So no need to worry about your exercises. Okay. So see page number 11, that is your prefixes and suffixes. Okay. So this is all about your prefixes and suffixes. And if you find any doubt from this topic, you can ask me when the school reopens. Okay. Thank you and have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe. Okay. Enjoy online classes.